morning 2 of the extreme heat wave. I mean, I guess it's technically morning 3, but I'm considering any sort of triple digit day the true heat wave. It is about 9:50 a.m. and we're already at 89 degrees. Yeah, 89 degrees. That's kind of crazy. That's normally like our high. And the 89 degrees is probably above the average temperature for this time of year. But so yesterday we record, or at least I recorded on my thermometer, and it's not, it's not like it's professional grade or anything like that. I saw 104 yesterday. The weather app for my area was saying 104, so I guess we'll call it 104, but I can tell you that the official numbers in Portland at the airport was 108, and that broke the all-time record of 107. The airport is probably about 15 miles due north of me. So anyway, I think it's safe to say I was somewhere between 104 and 108 yesterday. And today and tomorrow projected to be hotter, so we're going to see how it goes. Everything is holding up well. I was watering ahead of the real extreme heat, and I've just been kind of trying to keep up. I've been doing some watering at nighttime, and everything's looking good. The only thing I'm noticing is that some of my heat-loving palms are exploding. They are growing at a pace that I'm not accustomed to seeing, and it would be really awesome if they grew like this all summer. I'm sure they won't, but after these few days here, I think Tuesday we're dropping back down into the 90s, and long-term forecast looks like low 90s, so that would be maybe 32 or 33 degrees Celsius. So I think anything above 30 is pretty good for a lot of these plants. And I'm not seeing, other than the grass, the backyard is pretty good, but the front grass is totally burnt out, but everything's looking reasonable. This banana was the only one I was seeing a little bit of damage on, but it's perked up overnight. It's not droopy right now, it'll be droopy again later, but everything is looking pretty good. So we got, we'll see how things are in a couple days. The only thing I'm trying to do is throw a sheet over my Tasmanian tree fern when the sun is on it in the afternoon. Other than that, I'm just watering as I think is needed. I can tell there's still moisture in the ground back here, which I'm not surprised. I think a lot of between the mulch and the vegetation, it's definitely doing a good job of retaining the moisture. But anyway, we'll see how it goes today. We're projected to be 110 and up, so at least 110, maybe 115, and Monday is the same. So we'll see how it goes. No power outages so far, so that's great. Our house is nice and cool. We've been sleeping in the basement, so it's actually been not bad at all. And I'm just out here soaking up the heat. I was out here late last night, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So you're all staying safe and keeping well hydrated.